Hello everyone, I'm LeiSir from Mingguang Education. Welcome to Scratch Quick Start course. Follow me, please. Look the mind map. Try lesson Scratch. The first, what is Scratch? The second, Scratch interface. The third, course project demonstration. What is Scratch? Scratch is a graphic programming software. Everyone can easily create games, learn software, animations, and courseware using Scratch. The Scratch programming interface is divided into the following areas. Look, the menu area. The menu area of Scratch contains the language setting. Click global icon. Click symbol Chinese. Show interface. Click English. Show interface. So the menu area of Scratch contains the language setting. Next, File drop-down menu contains the first new load from your computer. Save to your computer. Next, look left module area. There are different types of building block modules. The module area includes code panel, costumes panel, sounds panel. Look, sounds panel. Click record icon. Click the orange button. Now record. Can't you so take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Monty Mama, take me home. Can't you so? Stop recording. Play. Can't you just take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Monty Mama, take me home. Can't you just stop recording? Okay, save. Follow me, please. Right? Draw area. The rows it's needed in the program are added from here. background area. The background that needs to be edited in the program is edited from here. Okay. Next, code area, code editing area. Right, stage area, the area where the works are displayed. Look, operation area, the green flag button is the program start button, and the red button is the program stop button. Okay, you can drag the blocks to the code area. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open the door. Let's go. Start. Okay, show. Excellent. Okay. Let's go. Next stage. The stage is course project demonstration. Classic projects in the course. The first project is Fronts VSPs. The next stage is course project demonstration. Classic projects in the course. The first is Fronts VSPs. Let's go. Begin. Open a window. Play. Button. Green flag. The project is Imperial War. Let's go. project is a fish game. Let's go. The project is Super Soldier. Let's go. The project did tea and moss. Next project. The project is sketch elements. Let's go. The project is learn software. Refuse classification. Start.
哎呦，垃圾桶里的垃圾怎么都乱七八糟了？快来帮忙整理整理！恭喜你，你扔对了！恭喜你，你扔对了！哎呦，垃圾桶里的垃圾怎么都乱七八糟了？快来帮忙整理整理！恭喜你，你扔对了！恭喜你，你扔对了！恭喜你，你扔对了！恭喜你，你扔对了！恭喜你，你扔对了！恭喜你！
Okay. Please refer to the contact information for the data cost. The first reset. Second, here. Welcome foreign friends to them.